vist üle kogu maailma. Meie artistid võistlevad ihaldatuma auhinna poole, kuid selle auhinna jätame teile praegu saladuseks. Nende tööd ja vaeva hindavad meie auväärt žürii. Žüriisse kuuluvad nooruslik proua Tiina Saago, särtsakas Reili Hanna-Grete Rüütli, musklis härra Valeri Slaati, aga kutsume siis esimese esineja lavale ja kelleks on 11. C-klassi Madonna Hanga. So slowly, time goes by. So slowly, time goes by. So slowly.
Kitt, tõmba käima ennast.
Were meant to cut me down, and if my love was just a circus, you'd be a clown by now. No, I'm still standing better than I ever did, looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. There's a change of pace, of fantasy and taste. Do
you like good music? Or do you like to dance? Oh yeah.
Hanging out for a body shop at night. Ain't ashamed what we do to feel alright.
Oh yeah.
So, when will you call? I'm experienced.
Oh yeah.
Everybody gone back, trepidation, speculation, everybody allegations, innocent on the news, everybody dog food, black men, don't look at the angels. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us.
Strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away.
There's a girl that lives up the block. Back in school, she could turn all the boys' heads. Sometimes on a Friday, I'll stop by and have a few drinks. After she put her kids to bed, her and her husband Bobby, well, they split up. I guess it's 2 years gone by now. We just sit around talking about the old times. She says when she feels like crying, she starts laughing, thinking about glory days. Yeah, they'll pass you by, glory days. And the way the young goes high, glory days, glory days. Boys, watch your work. Rock it now. Think I'm going down to the
I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied. I don't need you. I've got to break free. God knows I want to break.
Cause at last he's got this girl home. Relax, baby. Now we're all alone. They wake at dawn, 'cause all the birds are singing. You must understand, the touch of your hand makes my pulse react. That it's only the thrill of boy meeting girl opposites attract. It's physical, only logical. You must try to